make I ask you about Eddie Nketiah now.
Yeah.
You know, say when Gabriel Jesus injured, some people come to talk, say, some Arsenal fans they talk, say, Eddie Nketiah, you know, go fit replace Gabriel Jesus. You know, if he do as, you know, if he act well as the backup striker.
Yes.
But for today match, it be like say when everywhere don't Kogi there, the match don't tire up. I be like say you put score to Eddie Nketiah. Eddie Nketiah can pick the call. Why as he score, they do like this.
Yes,
They do like this. How far you they see Eddie Nketiah performance since Gabriel Jesus injured?
Well, since Gabriel Jesus injured, one-on-one, the boy don't try. You understand? The boy don't improve. The boy don't improve from the way it did before. Then secondly, again, since when Gabriel Jesus injured, he can bring this A game come. I know say normally for any backup striker, once the main striker don't come out, you need to show yourself to take number 9. So I know now waiting they try do, and he not a disappoint. You understand?